Hello loves, good evening and welcome back to my channel again. For today's video, I am going to try on a gift and I would like to review this gift and the outfit also that I will wear, which is I would like to thank everyone who helped me build this outfit that I will wear today. I would like to thank Pinky, Colleen, Harash. I would like to say thank you so much everyone for helping me building this outfit today. And I hope you also enjoy this outfit that I will wear in this video. So for those people also who watch all the way the ads and the videos that I have, I would like to thank you to all subscribers that doesn't skip the ads. That also will help me to raise a revenue and help me buy a small. Thank you so much everyone also for watching, not skipping the ads. That's how the way you help me. And also to those people who gave me super thanks. Thank you so much everyone for giving me a super thanks, because this also helped me to raise the revenue even a little, but it will get bigger by the time. So it will also help me. So thank you so much everyone, to all of you that holding me on continuing making a letter videos in any time. So I won't make this long. Let's go and have a look how this look like, and let's see if this fits me good or not. So let's go. First, I would like to I will show you this is, we got a new Gucci belt that I threw it, but it's still good. So here it is. It's a leather belt. So I will use this in this video and for this leather outfit. And then also I would like to show you also this outfit that I will wear for today. It's leather shirt, also that from my sponsors that I said before. So those are the outfits. NAKD. The other one is a leather pants. So here you are, ready. So I will see how this look. So let's go and have a look how this all fits, and thank you so much for all the sponsors. Let's go and have a look how this fits me. So for this outfit, I will wear my shiny platform Giaro. So there is it. This one. We'll see if this looks good or not. Let's have a look. So this tie is very long. I think we can make this a little bit so how does it look with this belt? I think this has to be inside. So this is it. It looks so beautiful, does it? This is really beautiful belt and it really fits to this black color that the other fans also saying like you can wear black and red. So here it is. And yeah, the belt is really good and really fits me good. It's like nothing is, it's not so long and it's not so short. So it's just like I call it, it's exactly. So there is no problem with the size. And there is it. It's really, really beautiful. And as you can see, it's really fit into the tie and to the boots also. And also to the new shirt and pants. Leather shirt and pants. Yeah. It's so nice, right? Now let's proceed to the gloves. So what do you prepare me to wear? I mean, to put on. I think I have to put on my black. What do you think? My black black coat. Let's see. Wow, this is really nice and very, very elegant one. So I think really good combination. So here it is. So this is it for this color. I can bite someone's neck. Okay, so here it is. And what do you think about this outfit for today? Please let me know to the comment below, and I will be glad. And I will be glad to hear what do you think about this outfit. Okay? So please let me know. Just to put on and to see only how this looks. How does it look together? So now we can fly. I just put this coat so that you will see if how this look like with a coat, because it look like a sweet vampire is here. So here it is. This is all for now, and thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and I hope you like this video for today and you enjoy it. And please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. And thank you so much to those people who subscribe also on my exclusive. And thank you so much everyone. This also helps me of raising up a revenue. So thank you so much everyone for subscribing. And for those who didn't subscribe yet, you can subscribe for more exclusive and strict outfit that you don't see in public videos. So let me know and what do you think about this outfit, and I see you all in my next video.